In this video we will remove duplicate elements from the list. So let's make a list 1. Okay, and let's show 1, 3, 1, 6 and 9. So we will print list of set and then list 1. Okay, so let's run it. So you can see duplicate item is being removed. So we first convert the list into a set, okay, and then we again convert it into a list. So set cannot have duplicate items, so set method keeps only an instance of the item. So let's make another list, list 2. Okay, so let's show till 9 I have showed. Okay, so let's print list of set list 1. Okay, and then we'll put set of list 2. So let's run it. So you can see duplicate item is been removed. So the items that are present in both the lists are removed here.